Hi everyone, my name is Samich and today I will tell you why your phone is heating, how to fix it, and of course, what could be the consequences. As we know from physics, electric current flowing through the conductor heats it. Cooling in smartphones is passive. There are no fans inside. So PCB install on aluminum or copper heatsink. Thermal grease is placed from the factory at contact point of the processor with heatsink. Instead, thermal grease can also be used thermal pads. Both of them have a lifetime. Under ideal conditions, it's about 3 years. But exploitation conditions not always ideal. Because of this, the cooling system resource drops and phone gets very hot. The simplest thing that can happen is a throttling. Throttling is a process when processor slows down itself. It does it to lower his temperature. Because of this, phone starts slowly and starts lag. But what's worse? I tell you, accumulator battery degradation. Its capacity drops and then accumulator crashes. Of course, contact the service and replace thermal grease with new one. Or do it yourself if you can. I can. If you aren't going to invest in your phone, you can make active cooling device from improvised means. For example, I have a friend have a phone. My friend needs share Wi-Fi with notebook, but his phone heats so much. I take fan and heatsink from an old PC that I found in scrapyard, and I take it some wire. To this contacts connects DC voltage source, 12 volts. Hot phone is placed here. Profit. Very simple. There are 3 rules to follow. First rule, do not overheat your phone. Don't leave it in the sun. Do not use your phone while it's charging. Second rule, turn on the maximum brightness level only when you are in brightness sunshine. In other cases, 50% brightness is enough. I personally use 30%. It's enough for me. And phone live 2 days without charging. And the last third rule, use only original charger. Thanks for watching. I hope the information was useful. Share this video with your friends. And I, of course, will be glad to repost and waiting for feedback in the comments. See you next videos. From Russia with love.